Today we're diving into the Times microwave LMR-400 direct burial coaxial cable, a robust choice designed to meet stringent military standards. This cable is built tough with a PE jacket, fluid elastic polymer layer, and dual shields, ensuring superior water resistance and durability. It boasts an ultra-low loss characteristic, making it ideal for applications demanding minimal signal attenuation. Whether you're setting up antennas, receivers, scanners, or radio transmitters, this cable promises reliability and excellent performance from DC up to 6 GHz. What sets the LMR-400DB apart is its construction tailored for outdoor use. The copper center and low-density foam dielectric contribute to its low-loss properties, crucial for maintaining signal strength over long distances. Tested rigorously to meet U.S. military requirements, it guarantees flexibility and performance in diverse climates, backed by a warranty ensuring peace of mind. For ham radio operators and CB enthusiasts, this cable is a standout choice due to its shock-resistant build and compatibility with various devices including wireless routers. The connectors MPD Digital PL259 male to UHF PL259 male ensure secure connections with minimal loss. In conclusion, if you're searching for a high-quality coaxial cable that combines durability, low loss, and water resistance, the Times Microwave LMR-400DB stands as an excellent investment. Whether you're upgrading your existing setup or starting fresh, this cable delivers on its promise of superior performance, backed by American craftsmanship and a commitment to reliability in every connection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.